My name is Muhammad Ahmed, and this is my team. Uh, Hani Dudari, Rabia Sultana, Srinivas, and Syed Kashif. In this meeting, we are going to discuss about the overview of Spotify and the team dynamics of Spotify, how they work and all. So, as in the introduction, we're going to discuss about the overview of Spotify. I'll give you a short introduction what we're going to discuss in this meeting in this project. Uh, we're going to discuss about the Spotify, as the Spotify is a global music streaming service that provides millions of songs, products, podcasts, and also video to its users. And it has been founded in 2006. Spotify has grown to become a leader in the digital music streaming industry. Spotify project teams focus on developing innovative features, improving user experience, and expanding its market reach. The purpose of this analysis is in this presentation, we will analyze the dynamics of Spotify project teams through eight key aspects of team behavior, performance, and culture. And uh, in the team development stages, uh, they have there are like aspects one in the aspect one. It is forming, storming, norming, and reforming and performing. So let me give you a short definitions of this. So the forming is team members are introduced to roles introduced and roles are unclear. Storming is conflicts arise as team members start expressing different opinions, and norming is team establish norms, roles, and begins work cohesively. And performing is team operate efficiency with less little friction, and reforming is team adapts to new challenges and such as product updates or market shifts. And so the analysis of Spotify in forming is when Spotify launched its podcast platform, team members are from different backgrounds like tech, content, and marketing were brought together. In early meetings, they focused on defining the roles and setting the project objectives. And when the algorithm reflected a wide variety of musical tastes and preferences, this inclusivity resulted in more personalized user experience with playlist that like it resonated with listeners from different cultural contexts, from different every culture context. So in aspect three, we discuss about how Spotify organized culture and diversity. So it's like collaborate closely on this project. And Spotify is known for embracing diversity with initiatives such as Spotify for Creatives program. And when I go into aspect six, it's like personality types. So personality
Ahmed,
types,
let Hani continue from here.
yeah, sure. Honey, you want to continue from here?
I would like to continue from here.
Yeah, you're good, sir. You're good, sir.
Hey, hello.
Yeah,
This
you
is
can
Srinivas.
continue.
Yeah, hi. This is Srinivas Mandalapu. I would like to continue where my teammate left. So the accept of the four personality types definition. The definition is like a personality types of reference to the different characters, traits, and the work style that individuals that bring to the teams, which is influence collaborations and tasks. And the next was analysis for the Spotify. Spotify the teams are composed for various personality type and from the creativity, visionary, and the analytical problem solver. For example, during the design of Spotify new apps, interface designer with the creativity personality worked with the close with the engineers who prefer the structure data driven solutions, and the introduction thinkers focus on the improving the technical aspects of the product, while introduction team members focus on the users feedback and market trends. This blends of personality allowed for the well-rounded approach to product and development, which is balanced between the user centralized design and the technology optimization. And the next was conflict management styles. Definition conflict management styles are reference to the approaches used to the address and resolves disagreement, which is team. There was styles including the evidence and the computations and the compromise, accommodation and collaborations. And the next is like analysis of the Spotify. The Spotify's team adopt with the collaboration conflict management styles where team members are encouraged to discuss different openly and seek solutions that satisfy everyone needs. For example, when content or engineering teams disagreed about the personalized new features, various and bug fixes, the conflict was addressed in series of faculty meetings. This collaborating approach ensured that the board preservatives were considered, resulting in balanced discussion that maintained both and products and stability and interaction, innovation, and new features. This style of conflictation resolve encourage the mutual respect and ensure that discussions are made with the best internet of the project and the companies in the mind. From the here, my teammate would be my next bit would be the continue. Yeah, go ahead. Thank you. Who's that?
Hey guys, good evening. Myself, I'm Syed Kashif. I'm going to continue from here. So basically, we got last two topics, which are key elements of team performance and behavior versus content. I would like to continue with key elements of team performance. Here we got three subheadings. The first and foremost was effective communication, while the second one is decentralized leadership, and the third one goes as clear accountability. In effective communication, it just starts out with regular stand-ups, sprint reviews, and feedback loops. You just need to get feedback from your customers and reviews upon that. So the second topic is decentralized leadership. Think where like every team is provided for their respective level. Teams take their own ownership of their projects, and the third topic goes on with clear accountability. Define roles, keep projects and on track, as we all know. These elements were instrumental during Spotify rap development, resulting in high user engagement. Whereas our last second topic I would say is behavior versus content, team behavior. So basically, it got four subheadings, which the first one is team behavior, the second one is influence, and the third one is feedback loop, and the fourth one is content quality. So we'll go and check with first one, which is team behavior. How members interact and collaborate with individuals in the team, how they collaborate with them to grow the company and higher levels. This is all the team behavior is. And the second one is influence. Behavior shape products development, as we all know about it. And the third one was feedback loop. Content success reinforce positive behaviors. I mean, like if we get any feedbacks upon the content, if we need to change the content, or if they need to like improve the content, they can get a feedback from the customer and work according to the feedback. And the third one is content quality, the actual work produced by the team. So basically, the team is focused on how to provide content quality to the customer or to any users who uses the Spotify, which may give which may give the customers a good content to enjoy it upon. These four features are open to feedback and development discovery weekly. They are like just happen weekly. In short, personalized recommendations align with the user preference. And in conclusion, I can say that
I
eight
think
key.
Honey will
I
give
can
the
conclude the
conclusion.
topic.
Yeah, you sure, honey. You go out.
So the
You
conclusion
can
part
share
of
your
this
conclusion.
analysis, like team dynamics reveals and the importance of effective communication. So the behaviors and the conflict resolution is achieving high performance. So the organizational culture at Spotify fosters innovation and collaboration. So which are the critical to the success of their broadcast. So the main key takeaways is the Spotify's emphasis on teamwork, accountability, and diversity has been keen to delivering products that resonate with the user globally. So the managing conflicts through the collaborative approaches and enduring team synergy has led to consistent product success. So the closing thought, understanding and applying these team dynamics can help Spotify and similar organizations continue to innovative and succeed in a competitive market. So if you have any questions from the audience, thank you.
There is no audience.
Say,
So these are the references which we used from where we collect all this information.
And Ahmed, one more thing. You just in introduction, you just said we are like couple
Let's
of
stop it
five.
there. You can stop the recording first, and
No,
Sayed.
it's okay. I mean, like you just said, like there are 4 5 people, but we are only 4 people
Yeah,
here.
so yeah, the she's not responding to my text and call when I try to call her, Rabia Sultana.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll talk with the professor and I'll try